back to my channel. Today I am doing a 100% honest slime review video because I love these videos so freaking much. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. I love slime review videos. Holy cow, I'm tired. If I should do more slime review videos, give this video to 13,000 thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below if you are new to my channel because I just want you to hang around for a little bit. And I'm currently having a slime supplies giveaway. I'm giving away a ton of supplies for your slime shop. And if you want to make your own slime shop, if you want to get in that industry, I'm making that happen for you guys. So I'm doing weekly giveaways all throughout June where I announce the winner every Saturday, and then it goes throughout the entire week. And the only rules are subscribe to this channel, Nicole Jacklyn. Go follow me on Instagram at Nicole Jacklyn and at Slime by Jacklyn. Both Instagrams should be followed. And then go follow me on the app called Dote. It's D-O-T-E. My username is at Nicole Jacklyn. It's all linked down below for you guys. The app Dote is literally so cool. This is not sponsored at all, but it's a really cool like fashion shopping app. And it's honestly like Pinterest, but you can purchase things, so it's very dangerous, but it's a good kind of dangerous. I love it. And I also have giveaways on that app as well, like Urban Outfitters, like Forever 21, like really nice brands to wear, honestly. So I will have all those rules down below in the links, all linked down below for you guys. Let's hop right in to this slime review video, and yeah. Okay, so we have this slime. It's called Strawberry Milk, and it has a little charm on top. It's so cute. And then we have this one. It's called Orange Creamsicle. The fishbowl slime. It's called Lemon Drop Strawberry Jelly. Oh, that's so cute. This is one that I've gotten before, but I got it forever ago. It's called Blueberry Buttercream. I should do more slime review, if I should do more, I cannot talk. If I should do more slime review videos, get this video to whatever I said at the beginning, 12,000, 13,000, just give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe down below. I would love to hit 900,000 subscribers. That'd be kind of crazy. A little new milestone. Honestly, I'd be shook about that. And go enter my giveaway. It is all linked down below for you guys. And also comment down below when you are done with school for the year. I would love to know that also. So bye guys.